Well, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to start working on Unit 6D, which is the contrast between the past simple and the present perfect. So I thought it would be very useful for you to make a video, right? So far, asumo que ya hicieron exercise 2. You read the dialogue and you've answered the questions about Fred. And exercise 3 says find all the examples of the present perfect and the past simple in the dialogue. So I will pause the video now and I will let you take a few minutes to find these examples, please. So now I assume you have all the sentences, and these are the sentences that I collected from the dialogue. Yeah, so we have sentences in the past simple and sentences in the present perfect. Our objective, nuestra idea, es buscar cuál es la diferencia, why we use one instead of the other. So in the present simple, we have examples like, I went there last year with my family. What cities did you visit? We didn't visit any cities. We went skiing. Was it good? I fell and broke my leg on the first day. I spent the rest of the holiday in hospital. And then for the present perfect, have you ever been to Bulgaria? Have you been there? I've never been skiing. So when we have to decide if we need to use present simple, present perfect, or past simple, we need to look at the situation, pay attention to the situation. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is the sentence about an experience in the past? Okay. About something that happened in the past? Well, that will guide us to think, yes, that it's the present perfect, because we usually use the present perfect to talk about experiences in the past, cosas que hice en un pasado que forman parte de mi experiencia. The second question we need to ask is there a definite time reference? Is it a specific occasion? If there is a definite time reference like yesterday, last month, 2 years ago, yes, sorry, we are going to use the past simple. So let's go to our books. Yes, so the Learn This box says past simple and present perfect. We use the present perfect to talk about an experience at any time in the past. This is highly important. The exact time of the experience is not stated. Yes, so it's important. There is no time reference in the present perfect. No definite time reference. Yes, I've read The Hobbit 3 times. Have you ever traveled by helicopter? Yeah, they're asking about experience only. But we use the past simple to talk about a specific occasion in the past, una situación particular que sucedió en el pasado. I watched a good television on TV, a good film on TV last night. Did you go to Newcastle last weekend? Notice the expressions last weekend and last night. And just a nice hint the book gives you and that I give students all the time. We often use the present perfect to ask and answer questions about an experience and then use the past simple to give specific information about it. And this is what I recommend students. Siempre que ustedes están haciendo como la pregunta general para abrir el tema, we are going to use the present perfect. Then, when you go into the details, para ir a los detalles, para sacar la información más detallada, we start using the past perfect. You see, have you ever been to the USA? Yes, I have. Pero cuando voy al detalle, I went to New York last winter. Okay? So remember, like general experience, we use present perfect. Details, specific, one particular moment in time, we use the past simple.